Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. We help clients no matter where they are located in the United States or even outside of the United States in some cases. I come on here to talk with you and to give you some information about immigration. If you're interested in talking with us about your case and interested in seeing if you can move forward with your green card application, if you have a green card, if you have someone you want to sponsor for a green card, if you have employment related questions, we're happy to assist you. Give us a call to schedule a confidential consultation. You can do that by calling 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients no matter where you are located, and we help with all types of immigration applications. So we work with business cases, we work with family cases, and of course we work with humanitarian cases like U visas, T visas, and VAWA applications. I'm going to start off today with a question about VAWA. If you have some inquiries about immigration just generally, please feel free to put them into the chat. We're streaming live right now on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube. If I come on frequently, so if you would like to be notified when I'm going to come on again, if you want to get the notification, make sure to hit that follow or like button. I would encourage you to do it on all the platforms because sometimes they go down. And our handle is Agarwal Immigration on all these different platforms. So we're on TikTok, on YouTube, and on Facebook. If you have friends or family that would like to join us in this conversation, just a reminder to reach out to them. Sunita just started following us. Thank you, Sunita. Reminder to the rest of you as well, if you're interested in getting notifications, go ahead and follow us, like us on our social media platforms. This way you can get notified. Of course, share this with others if you'd like for them to jump in this immigration conversation. Okay, I'm going to start off today with a question that comes up a lot. What evidence is required for a successful VAWA application, right? So what evidence is required for a successful VAWA application? So for VAWA, what you need to show is that you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder if this is based on marriage, right? So VAWA can be based on other relationships, but what I'm going to talk about right now is VAWA based on marriage. So to qualify for VAWA, you need to show that you are married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, or that you were married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, that you lived with them, that it was a real marriage, not just for immigration, and that there was abuse in the marriage. So you want to show evidence on sort of all four of those categories. So hopefully you have evidence, photographs perhaps, hopefully you have maybe a lease or a ownership documents or children that you share together. It's not always required, but these are things that can be helpful in your application. But most importantly, what we want to let you know is the evidence of abuse is really going to be a detailed affidavit from you about what happened in the relationship. For VAWA, everything counts for abuse. So emotional abuse, verbal abuse, if your spouse is controlling, if they have called you names, if they get angry and yell, if they've threatened deportation, these are all different forms of abuse that can be used to qualify you for VAWA. Oftentimes we do not have police reports. We don't have other proof of physical abuse. So most of the time our clients will be successful with VAWA with emotional abuse only. If we can help you with your VAWA cases, give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name, again, is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. If you can't get to the phone right now to call us to book that consultation, you can go to our Facebook page. The handle is Agarwal Immigration. There is a link on there, and you can schedule a consultation directly from there. And you can also, of course, check out our website, agarwalimmigration.com, and you can schedule from there as well. All right, Kavita, thank you. So Kavita just started following us. Make sure you like us and follow us if you like this information, if you want to be notified when I go live so you can jump in, learn about immigration, and maybe I can help clear up some confusion that might be present. If you do want to talk about your case specifically, please schedule that consultation at 703-348-1663. 1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And we can help you figure out what options might be available to you, to figure out if you're eligible for a green card. And we talk with a lot of VAWA applicants, and we can lay out the process for you of what that looks like. Okay. Awesome. All right. Will my VAWA application be kept confidential, right? So will my VAWA application be kept confidential? So many times for our clients, they are filing VAWA based on abuse in their marriage. Sometimes they're still living with their spouse. Many times they're not, but sometimes they're still living with their spouse, and they're nervous about their spouse finding out about the fact that they filed for a VAWA petition to help them get status here in the United States. The spouse is not contacted in a VAWA application. The spouse is not involved in a VAWA application. Unlike marriage-based green cards, a VAWA petition and a green card based on VAWA only requires you, the abused spouse. Okay? If we can help you with your VAWA case, give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. My clients are all over the United States. We help them with lots of different types of cases. Our most common case type is VAWA, and we work with lots of people from all over the world that are here in the United States, and they are applying for benefits based on abuse from an abusive spouse or an abusive child. These are our most common case types. Okay, give us a call if we can help you. I would love to have a consultation with you. We do our consultations by phone, by Zoom, or in person. Again, that's phone, Zoom, or in person. We do the same thing on phone, Zoom, or in person. So you will get the benefit no matter where you are. You don't have to come to the office unless you want to, right? Some people do prefer to see us face to face, and that's perfectly okay. We're happy to accommodate you. We are located in Washington, D.C. and are very accessible. If you would like to meet with me on Zoom or by phone, don't hesitate to do that. You can reach me you can schedule a consultation at a time to discuss at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. If you can't call right now, go to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Hamid says, what part of DC? Awesome. We are in downtown DC in the Metro Center area. So the sub neighborhood is called City Center. If you are familiar with DC, we are in City Center. We're accessible by Metro using the Metro Center Metro stop and the Gallery Place Chinatown Metro stop, along with a number of different bus lines. There's plenty of parking garages around here, and of course street parking if you prefer to drive as well. Okay, would love to see you at the office. If you'd like to do a phone consultation or a Zoom consultation, call the office right now, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Ali says he wants to schedule a phone consultation. Absolutely. Call the office right now. And you can go ahead and get on my calendar for next week. I would love to meet with you and talk to you about your immigration cases, okay? All right. So Michael says, if you are a non-U.S. citizen, is it okay to expunge a dismissed criminal record from an immigration point of view? So you can certainly have your record expunged. Of course, everyone can do that. You have the right to do that. But in terms of immigration, that record will still appear for immigration purposes, right? So that will be used, even if you get it expunged, that will be visible to anyone making a decision about immigration for you. So call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. We only practice immigration law, so we do not handle criminal convictions or negotiating or representing you in a criminal trial. We only handle immigration, so we can work with you, advise you, and work with your criminal attorney on figuring out the best plea deal, perhaps, right? Or if an offered plea deal will trigger some issues with immigration, but we do not represent you in criminal court, or we are not criminal defense lawyers. We handle immigration only, okay? You can reach me at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. If you're calling right now, my assistant Sophia or my assistant Kriza will be available to help check out my calendar and see if we can align next week and get on the same page and have a meeting to discuss your immigration future or your immigration eligibility going forward. All right. Again, 703-348-1663. If you think others are interested in this conversation and you would like for them to join us, please share this with them and they will be notified as well. They can join us in this conversation next time. Okay. All right. It's me, motivation. Good morning, ma'am. My partner, or can I give a divorce after applying for a VAWA? I think what you're trying to say is, can you apply for a VAWA and then get divorced, right? Absolutely. You can apply for a VAWA and you can get divorced from your partner. One thing to caution you on is do not get remarried while your VAWA application is pending, right? Because that will negate the VAWA and it will get denied. So yes, of course, you can get divorced after filing for a VAWA. So let us know if we can help you with that. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. We can certainly help with VAWA and we can get you connected with a divorce attorney or family attorney if you need that. Okay? Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. My clients are all over the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. All right. If my abuser is a U.S. citizen and I entered the country illegally, can I still qualify for VAWA? This is a very common question. It's actually a very, very good question. So if you entered the country illegally and you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, you can process the entire VAWA and green card application in this country. You do not have to leave to receive a green card, okay? So if you're eligible for VAWA, I would highly, highly recommend that you consider it, especially if you have had an illegal entry into the country. You can reach me at 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney based in DC. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Call us or go online to our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, or to our website, agarwalimmigration.com, if you'd like to schedule a consultation with me to talk about the immigration strategy for you and how to move forward, especially considering VAWA. All right, great. Thank you, guys. Okay. Let me scroll through here. Okay, Michael says, hello, lawyer. Question, how long does it take for a VAWA to be approved? I've already had 28 months. Thank you so much. I like to watch your lives. Yes, Samuel, nice to see you. Thank you for joining me so often. Typically, it takes about 1.5 to 2 years to have VAWA approved. It can take close to 3 years, so you may be hearing soon. If you receive a request for evidence, please make sure to respond thoroughly with as much information as you can provide. Be honest, be complete. We help a lot of clients who receive VAWA requests for evidence that hire us after maybe they used a different lawyer to file the first VAWA. They feel more confident with us in terms of the response. We just filed a response recently and it was approved in less than a week once they got the RFE and we submitted that response. It was approved in less than a week. So if you have VAWA filed already and you are interested in talking to us about how we can take that case over, or if you have a request for evidence for VAWA, we can certainly help you. Give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with all types of immigration applications. I look forward to talking with many of you regarding your immigration cases. I think I got my questions here on Facebook and YouTube. Let me hop over to TikTok and see what's going on. Someone says, you mean India? I don't mean India. I'm actually located here in Washington, D.C. We do have a lot of South Asian clients. And we have clients from Africa. We have clients from Guyana and the Caribbean. We have clients right now. I'm working on a case for someone from the United Kingdom, Australia, We really are very fortunate in that our law firm has a very diverse group of clients, and we can help you no matter where you're from, and we're proficient in working with you no matter which country you are from. We'd love to help you with your immigration cases. One of the best things about my job is the diversity of not only my staff, but my clients as well. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney helping clients all throughout the United States. Richard, hi Richard, how are you doing? Richard says, how long does USCIS take to review your correspondence? So it can take a bit of time, actually. It can take a bit of time. There's no set amount of time. If they need more information, more evidence, they will let us know. So be patient, and we're here for you. If you are working with us on your immigration cases, we check your case status every week. So we will give you an update as soon as we see an update on the USCIS website. If something goes beyond normal processing times, we will reach out to USCIS for you. We will also reach out to our senators and our congressmen to help figure out what is happening with your case and how to get it back on track. We're here, we're on your team, we're helping you move forward with your immigration. Okay, call us, if you would like to work with us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all over the US and outside the US with their immigration applications. Can I sponsor an H-1B if I own an IT company in the US? Yes, usually you can sponsor an H-1B if you have a company here in the United States. There are certain limitations, right? So you don't want to sponsoring yourself would be slightly more complicated. If you own the company, you can sponsor others, of course, and the position would need to qualify, the wage would need to qualify for an H-1B. We work with a lot of H-1B cases. I'm happy to work with you. If you'd like to give us a call, 703-348-1663. Can I apply for a U visa with an expired passport? Can I apply for a U visa with an expired passport? So you can submit your expired passport, but you want to have a new passport. If you're waiting for that, that's fine. So you can start the application without with the expired passport. Okay. Genesis says, "Are you hiring?" That's very sweet. Not currently. Thank you. My VAWA case has been pending for 11 months. I have a work permit and advanced parole. I've completed biometrics. Can I expedite it? You can always ask for the case to be expedited and show that you have some dire circumstances that require the case to be expedited. But remember, everybody applying for a VAWA is in a difficult situation. So VAWA, in our experience, is for people that are being abused, right? So people that are being abused, that are suffering emotional abuse, sometimes emotional and physical abuse, they don't even have work authorization. They're all in a very difficult situation. This is a humanitarian case type. So the reason for you needing it expedited has to be more than the same reasons that others might want it expedited. Okay, so you want to keep that in mind, and you can articulate a reason to have that case expedited if you think that you can. All right. Sapna says they're good. I promise. They help me and my mom. Fantastic, Sapna. All right. V started following us. Here's just another reminder, if you don't already follow us and like us on our social media platforms. We're on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube, streaming live right now. If you want to be notified when I come on live, please make sure to follow us and like us on our social media platforms. Share this post with others, and hopefully you will find this conversation very helpful and clear up some immigration confusion if you're having any. Okay. How long is VAWA and adjustment of status taking? How long is VAWA and adjustment of status taking? The time period is a little bit all over the place. So I wish I could tell you, I wish I could give you one clear answer. We have had clients approved for VAWA and a green card in less than 1 year. We have had clients approved for VAWA in 3 years. We're still waiting on the green card. So there has been a huge range. Just know that the VAWA processing times are about 2.5 years right now, and the green card after VAWA should come fairly quickly. But if there's a request for evidence or something else that the government finds, it could delay the application. So the best way to speed up your VAWA application is to work with an attorney that has experience with VAWA, so we can put together the strongest application possible for you, right? Because you want to avoid an RFE if you can. We have had many cases that are approved without RFE whatsoever, VAWA and others as well. Our whole method, our whole plan is to have strong applications up front, so we can give the government everything they need to find that you are eligible for the benefit that you are requesting. Okay, call us if we can help, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States. We're here located in Washington, D.C. If you can't get to the phone, you can schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Hamid says, no one answered. That's okay. Leave a message and we will give you a call back. She may be on the phone, right? So she may be on the phone already, but we have a policy of returning all missed calls. So feel free to go on our Facebook page if you want to schedule a consultation. It's Agarwal Immigration, or you can also go to our website, agarwalimmigration.com, and you can schedule a consultation from there. Otherwise, call the office. You can talk to Sophia or Kriza. You can leave a message, and we will definitely give you a call back and assist you with that consultation, okay? All right, guys. Okay, so I think I've hit most of the questions today. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you guys always joining me, supporting me, encouraging us and the work that we do. Thank you, Richard. It was good to see you. It's been a bit. Thanks again, everyone. Share this with others. I will be on again if you would like to join me in this immigration conversation, but share this with others, like us and follow us so you can be notified for next time, all right? Hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday afternoon, and I will see you all very soon. Thank you. Bye.